Hope you are all fine. Now in this video we are going to see how we can change the title name in the Flutter application. First we will change for the iOS. You have to go to the folder named by iOS. Okay, now in the runner, first you have to go to iOS, then in the runner folder, then info.plist. Now what you do, where you have to go, just cf bundle package. You have to go to cf bundle package. Now this app name is APPL. Now let's check the app name here. Where are the apps? Sorry, this is cf bundle name. This web view example name, we can see web view example. This was the app. We are going to change the name. Now let's change the name. We want to change it to avail. Okay, let's run the app again. It is hot reloading. Now let's just check it is changed. Yes, you can see the app name has been changed. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you enjoy my video, please do subscribe my channel for latest Flutter